Could you believe that this hair you're looking at now is 5 years old? Hi skincare lovers and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sorry, it's not going to be all about whitening, treatment, glowing the skin. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I treat and maintain, like revive my old hair. This hair you are seeing here, I bought this hair when I was learning hairdressing. That is 5 years plus now, going to 6 years. And when you see this hair on my head, you will be like, hey, where do you get this hair? Like, it's very like soft, smooth, like I don't even know how to describe this hair. So I got this hair, guys, but when I started this skincare business, I literally have chance for myself. Just if I want to go out, if I didn't make my hair, I just rush, carry the hair, put on my head, comb it. So I went to the market and there's this particular hair that I wanted to buy. So I asked the vendor, along the line I saw this hair in the vendor's shop. So I asked her, this is a double drum. So I asked her how much is this double drum, and she told me that this particular hair is 30,000 naira. Guys, I just carried her and put for my head. I was shocked, like the thing shocked me. Now I said, I said yes. I said okay. So of course, as an hairdresser, I have my hair straightener, I have my hot comb, I have everything you need to install a frontal and all that to make your hair. Okay, so when I got home, I just create chance for myself and I washed this particular hair you are seeing here, and just watch me like straightening this hair. So if you are tired of wasting money, so maybe you have been giving people money to revive your hair and the result, you don't like it, you just want your hair back. Like when you put it on, people ask you, where do you get this hair? I love the hair, this and that. So this is what you will do. Just get your hair and boil hot water. Most of you don't know how to wash your hair. You don't need to wash your hair with cold water. You need to boil hot water. But that does not mean you boil a very hot water. Just boil a hot water that you can dip your finger into it. Then you add your shampoo into it. You can use any shampoo to treat to wash your hair, right? So you add your shampoo into it, then you dip it, bring it up, you dip it, bring it up. Please don't wash your hair the way you wash your clothes. Okay, don't just squeeze it, just dip it in, bring it up, you dip it in, bring it up for some minutes. When you're dipping it and bringing it out, you see the kind of dirt that is coming out. So after that, in another bucket, you add warm water. This time around, this water is going to be very warm. Then you add your conditioner and add your hair conditioner. Then the same way you did the washing, you did the rinsing as well. So you dip it, bring it up, you dip it, bring it up, even the net, everything. Then you bring it up and go and dry it. Please, after this, do not start straightening the hair immediately. Allow the hair to dry very well before you start the straightening. Okay, so when you're straightening this hair, of course you need your hair straightener and you need your hot comb. Okay, use these two items to straighten the hair. The way I am straightening this now, continue straightening the hair. Okay, the more you straighten it, if it's a human hair, please, not fiber or synthetic. Okay, you see this video, I dey feel my skin. Just look at somebody's skin, a very dark person before. Just take a look at my skin. Look at the way the skin is glowing. Look at my skin, and my skin is skinning. So back to business. So just continue straightening the hair. And I want to address something. Most of you spoiled your hair by yourself by adding oils. You don't add oils. You don't apply any oil on your hair. Mostly if it's a human hair, please don't apply any oil. There is no oil for a human hair. Don't apply any oil. If you feel like the hair is not well bouncing or something, just apply hair wax. Okay, don't apply any oil on your hair. It's not advisable. Okay, you might apply it, and at that time it looks so smooth and shining, but before you know it, your hair start tangling. Before you know it, your hair start falling off. Okay, so just look at this amazing hair. Honestly, guys, this hair is giving, 5 good years plus, going to 6 years, and the hair is hairing. Okay, so this is just it. I just want to share it with you guys, that instead of you buying hair every year, you are buying hair every year, you are buying hair, and when you see this one, you like it, you go and buy it. Tomorrow it has tangled and you start looking for another one. No, this is not how you use your hair. Okay, everything need a maintenance. So if you cannot maintain your hair, just know it that you will be buying hair, wasting your money 247. And in this opportunity, I just want to apologize to you guys that I'm very sorry, guys. It's been like 2-3 months now. Okay, 2 months now, or 1 month plus, that I stopped posting a video on my YouTube here, guys. I have been very, very busy, actually busy, very, very busy. So you guys should please forgive me. This is not me in the picture, because you guys know how I upload video 247. So please, I'm sorry. You guys should please forgive me. And if you're watching this video to this extent, I don't need to ask you if you learned something, or if this video is helpful. Of course, this video is helpful to every woman. For the fact you are a fan of wig, this video is for you. You don't need to waste your money out there, pay people to help you revise your hair, and after everything you don't like the hair, or you wear it today, tomorrow it has tangled again. That is not it. Okay, so just help me subscribe to appreciate this video. Just help me subscribe, turn on your post notification, so you'll be notified immediately we upload a video. So just take a look at this bouncing baby hair. The hair is bouncing. Just look at it. Yeah, oh yeah. Just see hair of 5 years plus. Even clothes, when you buy 5 years or 6 years plus now, the clothes don't they get old, but look at hair. Look at this hair. So help me subscribe, share this video. Love you. Bye.